Hello guys, I will show you today the web service, how to create a web service in PHP for login and registration. So first of all you have to download the Postman from Chrome extension. So here is the Postman. I will already install in my Chrome. So you simply launch app, then click on and it's installed in your Chrome. Then you can see the window. Here is the Postman. Now first of all I create one file, that is the con.php. there is I put my connection for the database connectivity. This is the my SQL I will use, localhost root. Here is my database name. Then I create one file for registration. Now the web service is, you have to put 4 input for registration. You have anything 5 6, for example I will only here take 4 field for the registration. Full name, this is the full name, that is the Pratik. This is my email ID, pratik.rathod8540 @gmail.com. Okay, here is my password that I put here, my mobile number. You have to simply use the Postman with post method and send the data from here, that interact between the PHP file for registration.php. Now I will show you the all input are. You can see here for print are $_post. So first of all I will check all the parameter I get from here in this file or not. So I will click on send button, and here is the my array: full name, email, password and mobile. Now I get all the 4 field in the registration.php file. So now I will go ahead with my code. Now first of all I check the condition for all 4 field is that, here is the condition. I will first check the empty. If 4 field are, this is the my code in if condition. If all the 4 field are if empty, then simply I will say the message data is not received. This is the web service is for security reason. You have to check first all the field are not empty. Now if not empty, then I will go ahead with my code. The second line is for the check the if any user is registered with email ID and the second time he put repeated email, then it's for the unique data. This condition is for unique data. I will already check for the email. If some user put repeated email in the Postman, so I will show you right now how if I put my already email existed. I will register with my old email. Again I click on send button, then you are registered successfully. Now I again registered with my same email ID, then email is already exist. This is the message that I get. I will check the all unique data in my database. So I will show you the database first. There is no repeated data in my database. I will already register with Pratik Rathod.8540. This is the mine. If I again register with this same email, then it's showing me the message of email is already exists. Now I will check if email is not already exist, then I will simply data is inserted successfully, and I will give the message of you are registered successfully. Now I will show you again with new registration. For example, L'Oreal iSpawn full name. My new email is L'Oreal123@gmail.com. My password is 123 and the mobile number is 9574609. Okay, now I am registered with this. Click on the same send button and I get you are registered successfully, and give the code. After insert the data, I show the message in JSON. This is the very important thing in web service is you have to give the data in JSON format. This is only for the registration web service. Now I will show you the login web service in PHP. So I have simply create a Android web.php file. There I will simple the code as for login. So I will run this file now and show you the login web service in PHP. So I will first run this file. So here is my login file. Now I put some data in it. So this is the key. The key is in my database. I will show you my DB. In my database, the key is I will log in with email and password. I will create a login web service with email and password. Now I will put my email ID for the login, pratik.kd11@gmail.com. So I will write down here email. My value is pratik.kd11@gmail.com. My password is, here I write down password. My password is 123456. Sorry, my password is pratik.kd. If I put wrong password, then simply I give the message of the wrong password. And if I write down, there is the data is not received right now. Okay, I will. So I will now register with my new Gmail. Here my password 123. Okay, click on send button. Hello guys, now I will show you the how to log in with web service. This is my code, this is my key email, and this is my value. This is my key password, and this is my password. If I put wrong password, then I will simply show you the invalid login data. Login is invalid. Here you can show the message of login is invalid. Now I put simply my right password in the postman, and you can see this is the login is valid, login successfully. Okay, this is the interactive with this is login. Simply I check the email and password is empty, then you have to check the your password and email is correct, then you can log in. Otherwise you have to give the message login is invalid.